Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to deliver a lesson for class 12th subject zoology. My today's topic is evidences of evolution. So far the evidences in support of evolution are concerned. They can be broadly categorized into different types such as comparative, morphological and anatomical evidence, paleontological evidence, embryological evidence, and biogeographical evidence. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the morphological or anatomical evidences in support of evolution. The morphological evidences or anatomical evidence in support of evolution can be further divided into different types, such as homologous organs, presence of homologous organs, analogous organs, vestigial organs, and atavism. First of all, we will discuss about these homology or homologous organs. Now, the comparative anatomy and morphology shows similarities and differences among organisms of today and those that existed years ago. Such similarities can be interpreted to understand whether common ancestors were shared or not. For example, bats, whales, tigers, and human beings, all mammals, show similarities in the pattern of bones of forelimbs, as is seen in this sketch. This is the forelimb of a bat, which is adopted for flying. This is the forelimb of a whale, known as flapper, and is used for swimming. This is the forelimb of a tiger, which is adopted for fast running. And here is the forelimb of a man, which is adopted to perform multiple functions such as eating, writing, gathering food, etc. Though these forelimbs, they perform different functions in these animals, they have similar anatomical structure, and you can see all of them have the bones like humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges in their forelimbs. Hence, in these animals, the same structure developed along different directions due to adaptations to different needs. This is a sort of divergent evolution, and these structures are called as homologous structures or organs. And it is evident here that this homology points towards the common ancestry. This is the first morphological evidence in support of evolution. Now, the second evidence is the analogous organs. Analogous organs are those which perform the same function but are not similar in structural details and origin. For example, the wings of butterfly and the wings of birds, both of which are used to flying and are completely different in their anatomical framework or structure. Neither do they have same origin, nor they have evolved from a common ancestor. Wings of insect is analogous to wings of pterodactyl, that is an extinct flying reptile. Even strikingly similar analogous organs such as the eye of an octopus and eye of a mammal differ in their retinal position. Similarly, the sweet potato is an underground tuberous root and potato is an underground stem, but both are modifications and are meant for the storage of food. These are therefore the examples of analogous organs. Similarly, the gills of prawn and the lungs of humans are also analogous organs. That is, structurally they are entirely different, but they perform the same function. The natural selection can lead to similar adaptations in diverse organisms with unrelated ancestors for survival in similar habitat. This form of evolutionary change is called as convergent evolution. Also, this analogy also points towards the common ancestry. Another morphological evidence is the presence of vestigial organs here. Vestigial organs, they are those organs, in fact, or structures in an animal body that have no apparent function and appear to be residual parts from a past ancestor. For example, human appendix, wisdom tooth, rudimentary ears and scalp muscles in humans. Now, these organs are believed to be remnants of the organs which were complete and functional in the ancestors. The study of vestigial organs offers an evolutionary explanation of such rudimentary vestiges by stating that adaptations of the organisms to new environment have made these structures useless, or we can say redundant. Now, the last and very important morphological evidence in support of this evolution is atavism. Atavism, actually, it is the evolutionary throwback to more primitive times. For example, sudden reappearance of an ancestral organ or a character. For instance, presence of a tail in human body. Now, all these morphological and anatomical facts point towards the common ancestry and thus serve very strong evidences in support of evolution. Thank you. Thank you very much.